In 2005, Constantine, the holy shotgun, merges religious symbolism with lethal firepower. Crafted as a golden cross by production designer Naomi Shohan and inspired by sacred relics, its intricate engravings and Latin inscriptions vividly reinforce its divine purpose in battle against demons. Loaded with gold slugs smelted from holy artifacts, the weapon's sanctified ammunition ties it to biblical lore. Modeled after the Armsel striker but entirely custom-built, the shotgun featured a mechanical rotating drum for added realism on set. Its striking design, blending church-inspired ornamentation with brutal functionality, cemented its place as one of cinema's most iconic supernatural firearms.